So the surprise is
अच्छा हम लोग ने गा लिया, आप लोगों ने गाना देख लिया. अब आप सब लोगों को हमारे साथ गाना है एक बहुत कॉमन गाना जो हम बचपन से लेके बुढ़ापे तक गाते ही रहते हैं. हर ओकेजन पे, हर साल वो ओकेजन आती है. एनी गेसेस कि कौन सा गाना है वो?
so today's Zareen's birthday.
So we all gonna sing a birthday song for her.
All of us सारे गाएंगे.
सारे गाएंगे जितने भी खड़े हैं इस पूरे मॉल में.
And whatever is happening here, and the gift that has been given to me by Sir and Sachin, and the love that has been given to me over here, so I'm already very happy. Thank you for an amazing song, and yeah, I don't think I could ask for more. I'm just very happy. Thank you all. But everybody has to sing to make me happy. Okay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zareen. Happy birthday to you.
Sing along, everyone.
आप लोग गाइए. Wow. मजा आ गया.
So, God bless you, and what a day for you to have a launch on your birthday. It's very special.
Well, I honestly have no idea about the whole replacement thing. I had no idea that Kangna was doing the film before me. I am just very happy that I am getting the opportunity to do this film, and yeah, that's about it.
Also, Isha Kopikar had shaken the leg for Khalas in last 14 years back. So now you're performing the same song. So any pressure, because that time the song was very hit.
Well, it's been one of my favorite songs, and the way it was told to me, the vision, Ramu sir's vision of this song. Okay, she's not even listening anymore, so I don't think I need to reply.
Hey everyone, today we have with us the very beautiful, the very ravishing Zareen Khan.
Hello.
Yes, so she has reprised Isha Koprikar's role in the very, very popular song Khalas. So how was it doing the song?
Well, it was great because Khalas is already a very famous song, and Isha had done it so well. When I was approached for this song, I was super happy. The track that they've recreated is amazing, and the vision that Ramu sir had told me, he wants me to depict the spirit of Virappan in this song, and I had not really done something like that before, and I couldn't even imagine that I would be able to do something like this, so I was very happy to do it.
So you have recently stood up for body positivity and against the bullies and body shaming, which is a very good initiative. So how is it? How has your journey been now that?
Well, it's always been great. It's just that right now I am in the position where if I say something, hopefully I can be heard. But I wasn't somebody who ever allowed anybody to bully me for my whatever size my body was, because it's my body and it's my life, and I don't think anybody in this world should be having a problem with my size and my body, because it's me. I'm the owner of my life and my body.
Yes. So what are your plans for your birthday?
Well, I think they already did a lot of celebrations for me on my birthday. I personally do not really have anything planned for my birthday because my mom's not feeling too well. So I think once she becomes a little alright, then it's her birthday, her party also pending, because her birthday was on the 9th of May. So I think we both will celebrate together.
So what's next in play for you?
Well, I'm going to be starting Aksar 2 very soon, and also, as the news is out now, I'm going to be doing Divine Lovers with Irfan in I think September or October. So I'm very, very excited about that one.
Any message for your followers?
I just want to say that thank you all for giving me so much love and so much support and so blessed time, and I would just say keep on giving your love to me and support to me, and that'll really help me do a lot of amazing work. Thank you.